In this video, we'll see how to take your NMR data processing to the next level by automatically applying a processing template to your Spectra using Python in Mnova. This approach lets you standardize and customize your data analysis with just a few lines of code. Let's break down how the script works. First, as always, we start by importing the modules we need. We'll use OS for handling file paths, document plugin from Mnova document to access the open document, and both NMR item and NMR processing template from Mnova NMR to work with NMR Spectra and processing templates. Now, let's look at the main function. We initialize the document plugin, get the active document, and make sure a document is open before proceeding. Next, we loop through each page in the document. For every item on each page, we print its name and check if it's an NMR spectrum. If it is, we cast it as an NMR item and get its spectrum. Before applying the template, we make sure we're working with a 1D proton spectrum. If so, we call our processing function. Let's take a closer look at the process NMR function. This is where the template is loaded and applied. First, we build the path to the processing template file, which is stored in a data folder next to our script. Get the directory of this script. Get the data directory relative to this. Get the path to the template. We then get a processing template object from the spectrum. Open the template file and check it loads successfully. Get the processing template from the NMR spectrum. Open the template and check that works. If the template loads, we apply it to the spectrum and reprocess the data. Set the processing template to the NMR spectrum. Reprocess the spectrum. And finally, don't forget to include the standard Python entry point so your script runs when executed. Now, when you run this script on your active document, it will automatically find all 1D proton NMR spectra and reprocess them using your chosen template. This is a great way to ensure consistency and save time when working with multiple spectra. Give it a try and see how much easier your NMR data processing can be.